Hello, I'm Greg Collins, a real estate investor and broker. Welcome to my home, Villa Celeste. I purchased this property here in Miami at the end of 2023, and the renovations took approximately 13 months to complete. This house is a Spanish colonial style architecture, modeled after homes and haciendas in the Cafeteria region of Colombia. You will notice that many of the furnishings and decor are handcrafted items from various countries, including Morocco, Bali, Indonesia, and India. The inspiration for this came from the home itself, which is unique and has materials from countries including Saltillo tile flooring, which is handcrafted in Mexico and gives the home a very rustic look. The roof has handmade Spanish S-clay tiles from Colombia. There, the artisans press each tile on their knee, giving every piece a distinct look. The stairs, which you'll see in a moment, have wood that came from Bogota, Colombia. This is the 2-bedroom, 1-bath guest house. It has a fully renovated kitchen and newer tile flooring throughout. It also has an updated bathroom, central air conditioning, plus hurricane impact windows. This is my favorite part of the property. I come out to my backyard, I feel like I'm living in a resort. We have a cactus garden with a bridge you can walk over. We've got coconut trees and various other fruit trees, including avocados, mangoes, mamey, chico zapote, which are my favorite, plus jackfruit and anan. There are hundreds of orchids in the trees to prove periodicity throughout the year. And for year-round color, we've got bromeliads both in the trees and on the ground. There are bougainvilleas around the pool and in the courtyard. And the star of the show is the birds of paradise at the entrance. When I took over the property, this was an abandoned fish pond. We brought in soil, planted the cactus and agave, and then brought in 65 tons of this granite stone for this area, the guest parking, and the garden around the house. This is the courtyard between the main house and the guest quarters. There's a total of 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms between the two structures. Today, I'm going to take you inside the 2-bedroom, 1-bath guest suite. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you for visiting my homes.